Hello, friends. Great to have you back. And welcome to the Wacky Expanding Square Farms Part 2. And just to let you know ahead of time, Part 3 is about a general formula, not specific numbers. Please watch Part 3. And here's my friend, Mr. Plaas Vierkants Vergroote, with his Square Farms. He's got the exact same question as before, exact same question, except each side was extended by 5 meters and the size doubled. So it's the same question, just with different numbers. Part 3 will be a general formula, not a specific numbers, to let you know ahead of time. We can call it a spoiler alert. So the question is, extend each end of each length by 5 meters and the area is doubled. Find the length of each side and the area of the original square and the new larger square. Okay, so find the length of each side and the area for the small square and the big square. So once again, I call each side there x. The smaller square is x squared as the area. The big square is x plus 5 plus 5. Each side is x plus 10. So the area is x plus 10 squared. So the area of the big square is double the area of the small square. And just like part 1, we start solving for x. X plus 10 all squared is x plus 10 times x plus 10. I'll go a little bit faster because it's the same math as the previous question, just different numbers. We multiply out, it simplifies to x squared plus 20x plus 100 equals 2x squared. We subtract x squared from each side. It's an equal sign. What we don't do one side, we do to the other. And we're left with 20x plus 100 equals x squared. We bring everything to the same side of the equal sign, which means these two terms change their sign. And once again, we have a quadratic formula. And in this case, a is 1, b is minus 20, and c is minus 100. And we plug those numbers into the quadratic formula to solve for x. And also, once again, they save time. Let's skip step. That was minus 100, and there was a minus there. Minus times a minus made this plus. And when we simplify, we get 100 plus 400 equals 800. And 800 simplifies to 20 times root 2. 20 times 20 is 400, and root 2 times root 2 is 2. So that's how we simplified root 800. Divided each side by, divide top and bottom by 2, and we get 10 plus or minus 10 root 2. Now, both are correct values of x to solve this equation, but we're dealing with squares of farm squares. So we're only taking the positive. So we're saying x equals 10 plus 10 root 2, which simplifies to 24.14. That's x. So the length, in the original square, the length of a side is 10 plus 10 root 2. That's what we said x is, which is 24.14 meters. The area of the square is that value of x squared, because it's x times x, and that will give us 24.14 meters. Now the large square, the length of each side is x plus 10. And as we said, x is 10 plus 10 root 2. So it's 10 plus 10 root 2 plus 10, which is 20 plus 10 root 2. And that gives us 34.14. See, x is 10 plus 10 root 2 plus 10 gives us 20 plus 10 root 2. So that each side is 34.14 if I work this out with a calculator. And the area is side multiplied by side. That's 20 plus 10 root 2 squared, which is 1,165.68 meters squared to 2 decimal points. And that's the answer to this question. And please, that's there for part 2. And please stand for part 3, which is different to part 1s and 2. Thank you all for watching.